Hey everybody, welcome back to Jack's Meat Shack. Today on the channel we're going to butcher a chicken. It's really easy. I'm not a trained butcher, but I'm just going to show you the simple processes to taking a chicken apart into its component pieces. So breast, wings, thighs, legs. It's really easy to do, so stay tuned. I'll show you how to do that. And then we're going to cook some of the chicken breasts on the Ember wood-fired oven. Really simple, quick, easy dinner. So let me show you how we prepare the chicken.
Like that.
So here we have it, a humble chicken. One of my favourite things to cook. So versatile and really easy to take apart. So to separate the wings from the body, all you need to do is get yourself a really sharp fillet knife, or any sharp kitchen knife will do, and go in at an angle, and you want to try and find the bone that connects the wing to the body of the chicken. And then it's really simple, you just put your knife through that joint and it comes away in one piece. Time to take off the second wing now, so we're just going to repeat the process I showed you a minute ago. Really simple, sharp knife in at an angle, find that joint, and then get your knife in between that joint and separate it from the body of the chicken. Sometimes there can be a bit of sinew that sort of protects the joint, so all you've got to do is go around that sinew and then they should separate nice and easily, just like that. So that's your first two chicken wings off the bird. If you've ever carved a turkey or a chicken or any bird, you're basically following the same principles as if you're carving a cooked chicken. So to separate the drumstick and the thigh, all you're doing is finding that natural divide where the thigh bone meets the rest of the carcass. And again, you're finding that joint, which is in between the leg and the body of the chicken, and taking a sharp knife. This one might require a little bit more force because obviously it's a bigger bone, so it's going to be harder to get through. But again, you're just finding that natural divide, using your knife and separating the joints like so. Let me show you again a little bit more closely. So as I said, find that natural divide, and in here is your joint, and you can use your knife to go through that joint, and the leg will naturally fold down, and then you're going to use your knife to separate the bones from the main carcass of the bird. It's really that simple. And now we're going to separate the crown of the chicken from the rest of the carcass. Sharp knife, hold the bird, use the natural weight of the bird and follow the natural line. Basically, you're not going to cut through any of the flesh. You want to go through the sort of sinewy part, the rib cage, and then what you're going to do, you're going to have the whole back of the chicken in one piece. I wouldn't throw this away. I would keep it for stock. It makes really, really good stock. Then to separate the two breasts, you're just going to get your knife, go straight down the middle and turn them over and give them a little tidy up. So any sort of bits of bone you've missed or sinew, rib, the breastbone might still be there. Just use your knife and gently remove it. So then when you roast the chicken breasts, you're going to have none of that horrible stuff when you eat them. Following what I've been talking about, we're going to cut between the thighs and the drumsticks and separate these two pieces as well. Finding that natural divide, sharp knife through the joint. There shouldn't be any resistance. You shouldn't have to cut through the bone. It should just come away nice and easy. So find it with your finger and go straight down with your knife. Done. Now what we're going to do is cook the breasts in the Ember wood-fired oven. I've used this in some other videos, so check them out to see how we get it lit. Really simple. Get it to 200 degrees Celsius, and the chicken breast goes in skin side down at first, and then halfway through we're going to flip it and let the skin crisp up until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 75 degrees. That is your chicken video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll leave the icon at the end of the video. I've been Jack. This has been Jack's Meat Shack. I will see you all again next week for some more barbecue action. Goodbye, y'all.